Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. First, I have to tell you that a free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content, because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. Let's get started. First, you need to open App Gallery, then try to find here Turbo VPN and install it. Open this application, choose Start Now, then tap on the cross on the right corner, and fine. In the top right corner of the screen there is a globe. By clicking on it, you can choose which country to connect to. For example, I'll choose United Kingdom and London, then tap OK, wait a while, and cool. After watching the ads in the notification panel, we will see a rabbit, and it means that we are already connected to the VPN. Fine. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye. See you.